Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. Today we'll be looking at past question papers, alright, past questions on both NECO and WAEC, including JAMB, alright, and also some past questions on Post UTME. Okay, so today our first question says, find the area of a sphere whose radius is 3.5 centimeter. Now, if we look at it, we have a sphere. What's the formula for area? So, area of a sphere. For area of a sphere, we have our formula as 4 pi r raised to power 2. Now, our radius has been given as 3.5 centimeter. So this we're having as 4 times 22 over 7 times 3.5 squared. Okay, so if we multiply our 3.5 times 3.5, we'll be having it as 4 times 22 over 7 times, this should give us about 12.25, okay, as 3.5 squared. So we'll multiply all through, we'll be having it as 154 centimeter squared. That will be our area for the sphere. Now, our second question, it says, evaluate 1101 base 2 plus 1011 base 2 plus 1001 base 2 minus 111. Now, to evaluate this, we can do it in two ways. Now, we've done a detailed tutorial on binary. Do well to check our channel for our binaries. Now, we can either go direct by adding this, or we go by converting this to base 10, add up and subtract, then we convert our answer back to base 2. Now, we are going to convert each and every of these to base 10, add, subtract, and convert back to base 2. Now, we have 1101 base 2 to base 10 will be 0, 1, 2, 3. This will give us 1 times 2 raised to power 3 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 2 plus 1 times 0 times 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 0. So this will give us 248, 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1, which gives us 11 and 12, 13 base 10. And our next one is 1011 base 2, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. This gives us 1 times 2 raised to power 3 plus 0 times 2 raised to power 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 0. Now this gives us 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1, which gives us 11 base 10. Alright, now our next one is 1001, 0, 1, 2, 3. This gives us 1 times 2 raised to power 3 plus 0 times 2 raised to power 2 plus 0 times 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 0, which gives us 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1, which gives us 9 base 10. Now, the next one is 111, okay, base 2, 0, 1, 2. This we have as 1 times 2 raised to power 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 0, which gives us 4 plus 2 plus 1, which is 6 plus 1, 7 base 10. Now, having it as this, we can now rewrite this as 13 plus 11 plus 9 minus 7. Now, 13 plus 11 plus 9 will give us 20. So 20 plus 13 will give us 33. Alright, 33 minus 7, okay, would give us 33 minus 7, 13 minus 7 will give us 6. So this will give us 26 base 10. So now we have to convert our 26 back to base 2. Now converting 26 back to base 2, we'll use our division method. Okay, so 2 here will give us 13, remainder 0. 2 into 13 will give us 6, remainder 1. 2 into 6 will give us 3, remainder 0. 2 into 3 will give us 2, 1, remainder 1. And 2 into 1 will give us 0, remainder 1. Now reading upwards, we have it as 1, 1, 0, 1, 0 base 2. So our answer for this equation will be 1, 1, 0, 1, 0 base 2. Our next set of questions says, simplify 216 raised by 3 raised by 1 over 3 raised by minus 2. Now, we know that when we have raised by 1 over, when we have a root sign simply means raised by half. So when it's 1 raised by 1 over 3, this means a cube root. Okay, so now knowing that this is a cube root, we can say, we write this to be cube root of 216 all raised to power minus 2. And by in a fractional indices law, we know that raised to power minus is, we have x minus 2, we have it as 1 over x squared. Okay, now applying that to this, we will have it as 1 over cube root of 216 all squared. Okay, now cube root of 216 will be what? That will be 6. So this will be 1 over 6 squared. Okay, now this will be 1 over 36 as our answer. Alright, now the next one says evaluate log 13 minus log 5 divided by x log 5 minus log 13. Now in evaluating this, we are going to have it as log 13 minus log 5. Rewriting this to look like a numerator for easy division, we are going to have it as, if we move minus 13 forward, minus log 13 plus log 5, okay, times x, okay, that's what we are going to have. But in order to eliminate this, let's multiply through by a minus. If we multiply through by a minus here, we have it as log 13 minus log 5 all over minus x bracket minus times minus will give us log 13 minus times plus minus log 5. Now you can see it's looking similar to what we have above. So we can now cancel this and this, leaving us with 1 over minus x. Now our answer will be 1 over minus x, or we'll write it as minus x raised to power minus 1, since it's fractional indices. So this will be our answer for evaluation of this. Our next question says, the first term of an AP is equal to 3 times the common difference. If the common difference is 8, find the 6th term of the AP. Now, in this, for us to find the 6th term, we first of all have to interpret this statement. Our first term is A, and it says it's equal to 3 times the common difference. That means it will be 3 times our common difference D. Okay, now we'll be given that our common difference is 8. So our A will be 3 times 8, which is 24. Alright, now they said find the 6th term. Now we have A as 24, D as 8. Now applying our AP rule, we have Tn equals A plus n minus 1 D. Okay, where A is our first term, n is the number of terms, which is 6, n equals 6, and D is our common difference. Now our first term here will be 24 plus 6 minus 1 times 8. This gives us 24 plus 5 times 8. Now 5 times 8 will give us 40. 40 plus this will give us 64. So the sixth term of this sequence is 64. Now, a car travels at an average speed of 75 kilometers per hour. Find its speed in meters per seconds. Now, we've been given the speed as 75 kilometers per hour. So they want us to convert the 75 kilometers per hour to meters per second. And we know that for 1 kilometer, we have it as 1,000 meters. So for 75 kilometers, we're having it as 75 times 1,000, which will give us 75,000 meters. Okay, so for 1 hour, we have it as 60 minutes. And for 60 minutes, we have it as 60 seconds. So that means 1 hour in seconds. So therefore, 1 hour to seconds will be 60 times 60, which will give us 3,600 seconds. Okay, now having this as 3,600 seconds, let's now convert. So 75 kilometers per hour will become 7,500 divided by 3,600. 0 cancel 0. All right, we now have 750 over 360. So meters per seconds. Now, if we divide this, we'll be having 20.8 meters per seconds. So with this, we've converted our 75 kilometers per hour to meters per seconds. If t over L equals root 4 pi squared over g, what is the value of g when L equals 4.5 and t equals 5 seconds? Now, in this, we are going to make, for us to find the value of g, we would make g a subject of formula. Okay, and we've done a comprehensive video on change of subject of formula. So do well to check our channel for more studies. Now, making a g a subject of formula here, all right, we'll start with first of all looking at this as an equation and eliminating our root sign. Now, the opposite of our square root here is square. So we'll start with square both sides. So this becomes t over L all squared equals 4 pi square over g. All right. Now, next we'll do what? Cross multiply. This becomes g t over L all squared equals 4 pi squared. All right. Now, we are going to divide both sides by t over L squared. So this becomes g equals 4 pi squared over t over L all squared. Now, since this is division, we can turn it to multiplication. So this gives us g equals 4 pi squared over 1 times L squared all over t squared. Okay, so bringing them together, we have g equals 4 pi squared, okay, L squared over t squared. Now, this is what our g is. Now, applying our terms here, g will give us 4 times 3.142 all squared times L, which is 4.5 all squared, all over t, which is 5 squared. Now, if we multiply this, we'll be having 3.142 squared plus times 4.5 squared times 4 would give us 799.65 all over 25. Now, divided by 25 would give us 31.99 which is approximately 32. So our G will be 32. The value of our G would be 32. Now, to our second question, it says two angles of a triangle are 45 degrees each, and the longest side is 12 centimeter. Find the length of one side. Now, if you have a triangle this way, now it's obvious that this is a right angle triangle. This is 45 and this is 45. So automatically this is 90 degrees. So having this as 90 degrees, we can, and the longest side is 12 centimeter. Now, we can solve this question in two ways. Either we use our Pythagoras theorem in solving this, or we use our sine rule in solving this. Okay, we've also done a detailed work on trigonometry on our channel. Do well to check it out. Okay, now on this, we are going to apply our sine rule to this. Now, applying sine rule to this, our SOHCAHTOA rule, applying our SOHCAHTOA rule, so SOHCAHTOA here, applying our SOHCAHTOA, okay, let's say we are looking for this. Let's say these are adjacent and these are opposite, okay, and these are hypotenuse. Okay, so we have adjacent and hypotenuse. So we are going to look for, using our cos theta equals adjacent over hypotenuse, which gives us adjacent is x over 12. So our cos, now considering this, 45 equals x over 12. Now, cos 45 would give us 0.7071 equals x over 12. So x equals 12 times 0.7071 times 12 would give us our x equals 8.5 meters or centimeters, sorry, 8.5 centimeters will be x. Okay, all right. If you've enjoyed our video up to this moment, don't forget to like, subscribe, click on your notification buttons for more updates. Our next question says, the length, breadth, and height of a cuboid is 8 cm, 7.5 cm, and 6.5 centimeters. What is the volume in meters? Now, we know that volume of a cuboid equals length times breadth times height. Okay, now this will be 8 times 7.5 times 6.5. Now, converting this to improper fractions, we have it as 8 times 15 over 2 times 13 over 2. Okay, we can cancel out 2 here 1, 2 here 4, 2 here 1, 2 here 2. So this we have as 2 times 15 times 13, which gives us 2 times 15 times 13 would give us 30 times 13, which gives us 390 centimeter cube. Now, 390 centimeter cube. Now, we know that centimeter, we have it as 100 centimeters equals to 1 meter. Okay, so for our 390, for our 100 centimeter cube will be, for our 1 meter cube, let's do it as 1 meter cube. 1 meter cube will be 100 times 100 times 100, okay, which would give us 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now we are going to divide our 390 by this. So this becomes 390 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this will give us 3.9 times 10 raised power 1, 2. So this cancels this. leaving us with times 10 raised to the power minus 4. So 390 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, will give us 3.9 times 10 raised to the power minus 4 meters cube. So this will be our answer in meters cube. Now, the next question says, find the area of a triangle with size 16 cm, 14 cm, and 12 centimeter. Now, in finding the area here, we'll be using our formula that says area equals root of s bracket s minus a, s minus b, and s minus c. Okay, where your s is gotten from a plus b plus c divided by 2, which is 16 plus 14 plus 12 all over 2, which is 42 over 2, which gives us 21. Now the value of our s will be 21. So this we are having as area equals root 21 bracket 21 minus 16, 21 minus 14, and 21 minus 12. Okay, so this we have as root 21 bracket 12 minus 21 minus 16 will give us 5, 21 minus 14 will give us 7, and 21 minus 12 will give us 9. So this we will have as 21 times 5 times 7, which will give us root 6619. Alright? That will give us root 6615, sorry. Root 6615. So if we do the root of this, we'll be having it as 21 root 15. Okay, so this will be root 441 times 15. Okay, that's how we arrived at 21 root 15. So this will be our area of the triangle in short form. Alright guys, with this we've come to the end of today's tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share the link with your friends. See you in our next class. Thank you guys for subscribing.